We're really excited to be able to share with you some of the images from the PARQ on Flinders project that we've taken in the last week. And those images show the scaffold coming down and show the building starting to take shape. Over the coming weeks, you'll see the final pieces of the construction and the design wrapping around the outside of the building and really start to understand what PARQ on Flinders is going to look like. We believe that Hutchies will be finished this project by October, and we're hoping that our residents will be able to move in November. You'll see some of these images of a rooftop garden on Tower A, which will be exclusively available for residents just of that building. You'll see some of these shots of the interiors of the apartments, and while they're not yet finished, you can see where they're going to be. Hutchinson Builders, the construction company on PARQ on Flinders, are one of Australia's most reputable and experienced builders. And who better to do such a complicated and difficult construction job, with many of our apartments being unique. Our display suite is still open through this period, although we can't open it to the public because of the footpaths and the access. We can definitely arrange one-on-one inspections, and happy to do that anytime, weekday or weekend if you'd like to come and have a look.